I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague.
What's up everyone, this is Squeaky Clean Air. Today we're rolling into Storm the Falls, which is an event that's being held by 905 Rides. I guess formerly you could say it was Truck and Tuner Expo, but just got its own name now, Storm the Falls. And hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog. All the best. There's gonna be a lot of cars that are gonna come out today. So just rolling in, I'm behind some classics right now, a nice Camaro. But it's in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Fireman's Park. It's a beautiful place. It's a home for many classic custom car events and stuff like that. So it's going to be a really, really nice day. It looks like the weather held up. There's not going to be a lot of rain. I don't think there's going to be any rain, but it's shaping up to be a great event. So I'm really excited to be here and participate and be part of it. Also, one of the coolest thing that's going to happen as well too is for this event we are donating a prize, which is going to be a specialty prize. It's going to be called Squeaky Clean Air Choice, and I'll get to pick a car that I think, in my personal opinion, is going to be a great candidate for the Squeaky Clean Air brand, and the winner is going to receive a partial sponsorship for air suspension. So this is a pretty exciting day today. So I'm looking forward to the event. See you guys in a bit. This Land Cruiser is just phenomenal. So we're at the not Truck and Tuner Expo, we're at Storm the Falls, and we had a lot of classic car show up, but this Land Cruiser is meticulous. I have a thing for Jeeps and Land Cruisers in particular, so this really, really, really made my day today. So clean. Wow, beautiful, 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 beautiful. To find it here at this event is just a treat. A nice E28. So clean. So we have a whole bunch of nice little Beetles in here. These are so sick. Nice treat. A Carmen Gia and some VW buses. Yes.
That's sick.
That is.
Not everybody wants to see that.
A lot of people do. The majority of people. Our little display here, Clean Air. Crispy 24, Crispy Clean 24 is recently bagged the cord. And then there's my boat right here, the GS. I changed up the front grill on it. Went back to the hybrid grill from Japan. The classic grills, that's a little bit new for this event. And then I was able to lower it down a little bit more by using the spacers in the front, the RC adjusters. So it sits actually really nice. It was a lot higher before, so I really like the way it's kind of moved along. It kind of looks slammed, so I really like it the way it is right now. It's sweet. But we're at Storm the Falls today, and hopefully maybe I get a chance to interview Crispy Clean 24. Check them out.
We got a 5-liter Mustang, ladies and gentlemen. It's all fun. Just right to the pylons here. This Calvin Klein model right here will guide you. All right. You ready to show us what you got? Let's hear this, baby. Go. Anyway, here we go. This is what we like to see. Hot rods mixed with tuners. Let's see. That's right. To the left. The winner circle. Okay, okay. What is it going to read today? This is our famous taxi here in Niagara. If you ever need a ride in this, you'll get there pretty quick. Light let's hear it. Yeah. Thank you, Riley. Come on, guys, give him some love. He took the exhaust right off that thing. All right, another Scion. Here we go.
Do I have to turn the music down?
All right, let's hear it.